The Willamette Valley is currently very reliant on the global food system, which is made evident by the cash crop status of the majority of the crops grown in this region. For example, grass seed is a very important economic crop for the area, but grass seed production has very little producer-to-consumer contact, and so is a vulnerability in the socioeconomic sector of local food markets. The key to resolving the disparity between economic gain and the dietary needs of the region's inhabitants is to establish an agricultural model based on local food systems as well as sustainable agricultural practices. Dry farming has become a popular technique in the Willamette Valley due to climate change. Irrigation can be a problem due to Oregon's water law, which prioritizes older farms over new ones. In times of drought, such as the 2015 drought in the valley, this can be detrimental to newer farmers. The warming climate is reducing snowpack, causing it to melt into the streams and rivers that farmers need for irrigation. A solution to this problem came in the form of dry farming. Dry farming is a form of farming that developed before the use of dams and irrigation pipes. The water that is stored during winter rainfall is harvested, which is useful in regions that receive high amounts of annual rainfall. The climate is perfect for dry farming in the Willamette Valley. Individuals as well as local businesses and organizations can benefit from these systems and can help develop the economic, social, nutritional, educational, and environmental health of a community. With community food assessments, they're also an important asset for rural farming communities. A community food assessment is a collaborative, participatory project that looks at the big picture of the food system and then dives deep to discover some of the unique resources and challenges that exist within our communities. This CFA will use quantitative data from the surveys, the census, and other reports when necessary, but will emphasize the stories told by the people living inside the community food system. The priority of this CFA was to build from the grassroots energy of the rural communities in the southern Willamette Valley to develop existing community resources, engage with diverse groups of the community through participatory processes, and identify tools and opportunities for creating positive change.